Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. So I created this animated video with an airplane that is going through text. And I wasn't planning to make a tutorial, but some of you asked me for one, so here it is. Just I went for a Facebook post. Add your text. I went for holiday, choose your font, whatever you like. Resize it, bringing in the middle. Now I'm gonna choose the background and I want to go for blue sky with moving clouds, and this is what I used the last time. It's a small video. Set video as background. Now change the color of your text. You can add some shadow if you want to. I use this airplane from Elements. Resize it. Position, layers, and put the airplane in the back of the text. Now we're gonna duplicate this page. Delete the video from the background and make your background black. Go to position, bring the airplane in front, but make sure the background and the airplane is black, not gray and black. Both of them, they must be black. See, the background is a bit gray, so I'm going to change it into black. Now we're going to download this image. As a JPG. Bring it in Canva. Now duplicate your first page. Delete the text, the initial text, and bring your image that you just downloaded. Resize it. And now we're gonna delete the background. And we're gonna move the black airplane. Okay, so now you have it. Go to position and make sure the airplane is in front this time. Resize it a bit, move it down. We're gonna have to apply some animation. Go to animate, and I'm going for breathe because I want to make it look like it's coming forward. And choose out. Duplicate the page. What am I doing here? This is a voiceover because yeah, I wasn't sure exactly what I'm doing, so I don't want to make a very long video. I'm setting the duration for the video. You're gonna have to play a little bit and with the duration and animate and okay, change the duration and make sure you set the animation as breathe. Breathe out. I'm gonna hide this page because I want to see the full video and I don't want that page included. So nearly there. In elements, I'm gonna look for some broken glass. I chose this one. Resize it. Go to edit image, do tone, custom, and I will change the color black into white. And now resize it and move it on your second page. I will do this now. Alongside your text. And just play with the position and the size. This video is like 13 minutes long, but believe me, when I first made this, it took me a while because I wasn't sure what I want to do and how I'm gonna do it, but yeah. You know that happy mistake that sometimes happens? This was a happy mistake. So place as many as you want. And remember, I'm just a beginner, so probably I could have done this better, but I'm just playing around Canva. I'm not an expert, so okay, go to position and select all of them and group them. I just realized I missed a few. Quite a few. Okay, so I'm gonna group everything. And I'm gonna apply, put them in the back of the airplane, animate, and use the same one, the breathe, as we used for airplane. But now I'm gonna resize them a little bit, because with this animation they're gonna just go bigger and bigger, so I want them to start like small and get bigger. Position. See, now I'm gonna resize them, move them in the middle, and play again. Just play the video again and again and you see what you want to change. Now I'm going to duplicate this page, resize the airplane and move it down a bit. Again, make sure it's in the middle. And I'm going to select the text. I'm playing again. Okay. Select the text. Edit image, blur, whole image, and choose the intensity you want to make it. And probably I'm gonna play the video again. Okay, I'm selecting the small pieces of glass, ungroup them. You don't have to ungroup them. I thought I can blur them, but you can't. So you don't have to ungroup them, but I've done it. And play a bit with the transparency. You can play with the transparency even if they are grouped. Group them again. So I grouped the text and the glass. Play the video again, see if you want to make some changes. And now set the timing, and I set it for 1 minute and 9, 1 minute and 6, 1 second, sorry. And 1 4, 1 5. In between them I selected dissolve and make sure it's 0.5 seconds. I want to also add some wall cracks on my writing, on the text. So go in elements, look for wall crack. Choose the one you like, resize it, place it on the text, and I'm gonna play a bit with transparency. Duplicate, place it somewhere else. Now I'm gonna copy these two wall cracks, and I'm gonna also add them on the last page with the blur text. Play with transparency even more. And this is basically it. I placed them behind the airplane, and that's the final result. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye everyone.